This is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns North, Cape Town City 1. My sister, how do you feel about the game today?
Even though we lost by 1-0, I'm happy that we are the champions.
Yeah.
And I'm a little bit disappointed that Ushalulile was not in.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then let's not focus too much on mistake ya Kamzala. Let's celebrate it. We are the champions.
Yeah. Sundowns iphethe kamnandi.
Kakhulu kamnandi. Yeah, Shalulile number 38 Shalulile. Shalulile Ribeiro. And Ribeiro must stop this thing yakuthi abembe ibola for a long time.
Pass.
Yeah. No. Other than that, I'm happy we are the champions.
So how do you feel about the final ezayo?
Yes, sayithatha.
Last year ngimbuza nathi niyayithatha i-MTN 8.
The reason I'm saying this is because Pirates is in it before.
No, you're all good. Where am I coming?